What are you doing in the rain? What's going on, everybody? My name is Braden, and this is Arlo, my model for today. He volunteered, and it's raining outside, so it's a perfect opportunity for us to take this photo. So this is the start of a new series where I'll kind of go through taking some cool, creative photos and try and do it in just a few minutes. Anyways, if you have any suggestions or comments or photos that you want to be replicated, just leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So here we go. You ready? So Arlo and I are going to go run to the car and start collecting equipment. We're shooting on a T3i today with the Sigma 70-200. So that's what we're going to be shooting on. Okay, so in this box I have 4 Paul Buff 3200s. We're only going to be using one of these today as our backlight. So here they are. And then a hood, and then just a single light stand, a real short one. We're going to be powering that light with just a Vagabond. They're mini lithiums. These things are awesome. I love them. That's it. Alright, will you bring me your backpack?
Sure thing.
These are just the flash points. I think they're 360 watts per second. Come on out, buddy. We're actually going to be putting it in his backpack. But that'll just be basically what our key light will be. Will just be this in a backpack, battery powered, which is beautiful. The last thing I need for this picture is pocket wizards. And I'll have one of these as our kicker hair light behind Arlo on the 3200, and the other one will be on my camera attached for the flashpoint light. Flashpoint will trigger the pocket wizard, which will trigger, but this pocket wizard will trigger that 3200 over there. 3200s aren't waterproof as far as I can tell, so I'm going to cover it with a trash bag, and hopefully that will keep it alive. Maybe this will be the last of that 3200. That's why you get 4 of them. Just kidding. I got to make sure it stays dry. Is Daddy being silly?
Yeah.
I'm talking to the camera. Isn't that funny?
Mommy! Mama! I saw white lighting. White lighting. I found white lightning.
For these shots, we're going to be using the 3200s as the hair light behind our subject, which is our beautiful model here, our volunteer. Running a pocket wizard through here, and that allows us to trigger the light, and we won't have any control over it, but we're going to keep it at a quarter power to try and keep the flash duration at the shortest possible amount to be able to stop the rain as best we can. So that's our motivation here. Sweating and getting rained on simultaneously. So. Light over here.
Okay, hold down over there, and this can go right here. Like that? Let's do it like a different way.
Hey, it works. So we set the 3200 over there. Our wonderful camera guy over here adjusted our angle just to get the right shot, you know. I want that light to be hidden behind him. So I'm gonna get a shorter stand, and maybe I don't want to spend that much time doing that. Maybe I just want to take the photo. So we're gonna get his backpack set up and his umbrella set up. So can you help with your boot?
I don't have an umbrella.
I'm gonna get you an umbrella. How about that?
At a store?
Right here. I got an umbrella right here. Perfect.
There's no wind in it.
I know. I have to get out the water hose.
I want to put the wait, here so I can get more space.
We're gonna use those teeny umbrellas. I don't even know what size it is. It's small. And that'll be our key light. And you'll see how we do that.
Hey, why it's not raining?
Okay, so here's gonna be our backpack setup. Arlo, you ready? Come here. So the battery and the light are gonna go into his backpack. Awesome, perfect, thanks buddy. And that'll set off our key light, which will hopefully illuminate the umbrella and all that's inside of it.
How about
Like that. So that light's ready to rock back there, and his light is ready to rock over here. And now we just need to connect these two and put them on our T3i and take some photos.
and that's how do the other one?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how we do the one in your backpack. Okay, you ready? Ready for some pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go get the other camera.
Mama! Hey, what? Mama! Mommy! I can push the button! What? I'm pushing this this button and it lights on my backpack.
He's a budding photographer.
A budding photographer. A budding photographer. But photographer. But photographer. Buddy photographer. Photographer. Buddy photographer.
Thanks Arlo for making this
Buddy photographer.
umbrella repair much more bearable. Okay buddy, you ready? My budding photographer is really upset that he got the trigger stolen from him. Alright, let's make this quick Arlo so you can get your boy back. So I have my lovely assistant on water duty. So we're gonna take a couple test shots. We're gonna start at ISO 100. I don't remember what the sync speed is for the T3i. It's probably 160 or 200. We'll find out in just real soon. But I want to turn my f-stop really high because both my lights are in really close proximity to their subject. Just getting a test shot. So humidity is gonna play a key factor here because my lens is all steamy because I just brought it outside. And I'm all sweaty, so finding a dry cloth, I'm gonna be hard pressed to find it. That's decent. Arlo, you wanna go stand in your spot? Okay, I'll just come make him more the center. Okay, I like what it's doing with the light. Arlo, look at daddy. Okay, so our 3200 is like 5,000 times brighter than I need it to be, so I'm gonna go adjust that real quick. Stay just like that! Don't move, Arlo! Hopefully our lens is like acclimated to just a little bit more. Oh, it's still so foggy. I think I changed the lens. I changed the lens inside or outside? Anyways, it's bad. Carla, look at daddy! Okay, we're closer. I didn't consider the color temperatures being so different between the two lights. Stay there, buddy. Good job. All right, Mama, hit us with some water. Okay, Arlo, hold your umbrella up. Lean it backwards just a little bit. There you go, buddy. Okay, Mama, spray him. Spray it all around, Mama. Arlo, look at Daddy. Oh, we're getting there. All right, keep your umbrella up, Arlo. I can't see you. Look at Daddy. And smile. Good job, Arlo. I'm getting some artifacts, probably from several sources. All right, wait 1 second, Mama. We're gonna make some adjustments. If he would just do this one over, that would be perfect. All right, let's try and get him to hold this umbrella backwards like that. And we're gonna try and get a little bit lower to the ground. We'll go up on our f-stop a little bit. See if we can go down on the ground. Okay, pause. We are getting a little bit of blue, the different color temperature, because his backpack is blue. It's partially shooting through his backpack. So we're trying a couple more times to try and get this artifact, this reflection to go away. I mean, it's just a flash shooting back at me. It might be off his umbrella, the wires in the umbrella, or off the street. So we'll try a few things and see if we can correct it. All right, Mom, go ahead. Oh, I love that. You can't even see in this viewfinder. Alright, kinda got the focus there. I'm just gonna leave it there. Not touch the focus. Alright, one more, Arlo. Put it behind your head again. So we're still getting a little bit of that glare, which is whatever, but we'll try a couple more and then we'll call it quits. It's so dark. And my camera's not reacting well to the humidity, which I should have known. Anyways, we're making it work. Fresh towel, cell phone light to illuminate him a little bit to try and get the focus right. Anyways, we'll see what happens. Okay, you ready, cutie? Okay, so we're focused. All right, go ahead, Mama. Arlo, smile. I love it. One more and then we're done. Look at Daddy. Good job, Arlo. Last one. Oh, you guys look great. I can't stop shooting. It looks so good. Arlo, smile. Arlo, you can put your hand out in the rain. All right, we're done. All right. That'll work. This is a good first trial. Come here. Come here.
Done now?
Yeah, we're all done. What do you think?
Good.
Hey, thanks for helping, Daddy. Was it good? Oh yeah, now you can push the button. Things we learned. The weird reflections we were getting. Oh yeah, trying to get the autofocus to work in that with the foggy lens. Once I brought the towel out, we made a great recovery, and yeah, we'll just a minor touch up in post. That photograph is gonna be great. We end up shooting 160th of a second, f/16. What? So I'd say that's a success. Our first time out. So if you like that kind of video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and leave suggestions down below about what kind of photo we should do next. And yeah, maybe leave a comment about your kid loving photography too.